Yup. So my people, today we wan do angle dey inside that topic wey we dey call geometry and mensuration wey I bin don enter last time for the past few videos wey we don do. Here now na angles and measurements na im we wan treat. So wetin be angles or wetin be angle? Angle na the amount of turn wey you do. That is, if you bin dey stand dey face one direction and then you come do like say you bin wan turn in cycle, so but you no complete the turning. So that turn wey you don do now, where you reach, if we measure am, we go get angle. Example, you dey stand for this position and you dey face this place wey this my stick dey face. You come decide to turn like this, to dey point this direction or dey face this direction. You don turn be that, abi? The measurement of this turn wey you turn like this, na im dem dey call angle. Na wetin we dey use angle dey relate. You understand now? So we dey reason say if you come decide to dey waka like this, to dey turn or dey change direction with your stick, the way wey I just dey change direction like this, come return for where I bin start. Oyinbo dey call am one revolution. You don go round for your turning be that. Make we understand this concept. So if to complete your turn around come be one revolution, what if you no come complete the turn around? Make we see say you move waka come tire for here. As you turn reach here, you don see wetin you wan see. You don do you. Wetin we go call am? How we wan take measure am make we call am? So na our problem be that. We fit measure am. How we wan take measure am? Wetin be the standard wey we go take measure am? And then if we measure am, how we wan take represent am? Wetin e wan be? So that people go understand the meaning of wetin we dey talk about. We only fit measure when the turning don divide the cycle into two. If you don reach half here, we go say na half revolution, abi? If you come here now, we fit call am quarter revolution because na one quarter e cover like this. If e come like this now, we go talk say e don cover 3/4, 3/4 revolution. Na im we fit call am, ba? So na only few measurement of the turning na we fit do with this knowledge now wey we don get. Abi with this description wey we don create, wey we dey call am complete turning revolutions. We go fit only measure 1/4 revolution, half revolution and 3/4 revolution. Correct. But we gats suppose to fit measure the movement when e no reach the 1/4, half or 3/4. People wey sit down come say in order make we eliminate fraction and make we fit follow our measurement thoroughly, say wetin dem go do be say this full cycle like this, they say dem go divide am into 360. Just dey follow me, never lose me o. Same cycle wey we call revolution, we come divide into 360. So one revolution like this na 360. E no clear for any of us wey dey now. They say the earth wey we dey stay, ba, this our earth, na the same change in direction na im the earth dey do round the sun, and e dey take am approximately 360 days to complete that revolution. Na im make dem pick 360. That's one of the reasons. So dem get plenty reasons, but make we leave am for that one, sha. E mean say the earth dey waka or dey change direction 1 degrees per day. They divide am into 360, come call am degrees, because na so dem bin dey refer parts of cycle or half of cycle. Dem dey call am arc degrees. Na im make dem come add this symbol now. This symbol na im be the degree symbol, small zero on top like this. If one revolution now na 360 degrees, wetin you think say 1 degree go be for revolution like this? Make we do am like this. 1 revolution, make I use abbreviation, abi, equal to 360. But make we change this 360 degree into 1 now. To reduce am to 1, we get something like this. We come get 1/360 revolution go come be 1 degrees. We don get 2 units, abi? 1 revolution 360 degrees, and then we get 1 degrees is equal to 1/360 revolutions. E make sense, abi? No lose me o. Just hold these two things kakaraka. E go help us. Just hold them for your head like this. No forget them o. On this note, my people, make this video no too long, abeg. We go see for next video wey we go do angles between lines.